Want to update your Facebook email to a new one? Here's how to do it in just a few taps, whether you're on a phone or computer. Like and follow if this helps. Open the Facebook app and head to the menu tab in the bottom right or top right depending on your device. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then choose Settings. Now enter the account center. It's usually right at the top. Once inside, tap Account Settings, then select Personal Details and go to Contact Info. At the bottom, tap Add New Contact, then choose Add Email Address. Type in your new email, select the account it's for and press Next. Facebook will send you a verification code to that new email. Enter the code to confirm and you'll see your new email listed. Now, if you want to remove the old one, just tap on it and choose Delete Email once the new one is verified. That's it. Your Facebook email is now updated and ready to use. Found this useful? Drop a like and hit that follow for more Facebook tricks.